Hey, how's it going? It's Mr. Peace here. Just got done speaking at Johnson Elementary here in Milford, Michigan, and got to share my heart with the kindergarten through fifth graders today. The talk today was sponsored by Huron Valley State Bank, so shout out to them. Thank you so much for the opportunity, and it was just an amazing presentation and time. Everybody was all ears, all hearts, talking about diversity, our differences on the outside of the inside, kindness, and leadership. And this being a Leader in Me school, it was really important to just stress that we can always choose love over hate, and we can always make that positive life choice to include other people, whether they're born different, taller, shorter, wider, thinner, different skin color. We see them for one race human, like my shirt says, and make sure we see everybody too as true miracles. Upside down W for worthy, the lines on all of our hands and our palms that tell us that. And we never believe the lies that other people say, that we're not good enough, that we can't do something, that we're not smart enough, we're not pretty enough, we're not enough. Those are not true. And we focus on people that are going to build us up, that are worth our time. The others that don't, we show them kindness and love still because they need it. They're probably hurting. And remember that heal people. So thanks for touching my heart. Hope to be back again soon to share my heart again as well. Love you guys. Peace.